Hi guys, so what are you working on today? Let me know in the comments box down below. I've been doing some coloring and my little ink pad fell right here on my paper, and luckily it did not hit my little squirrel here so I could cut him out. And then I wanted to do some no line coloring, so I did this and this little cute little guy, but I didn't take out my like tan color ink. What I did was I did a 3rd generation stamping with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. So I stamped it out. This was the first stamp, and then I stamped it out a 2nd time and then a 3rd time to get this really light faded image. That way when I colored it, the lines kind of will fade away. So that's a little tip if you don't have the no line coloring ink. And my Whimsy box came in, so I have some new Whimsy goodies to share with you, some Halloween goodies. So I'll do a little more coloring today. Oh, and I did add a cute little pumpkin cutie face on our digital stamp. So you can download this one for $1.50 for the single pumpkin with a cute little face. Now check out this paper pad. This is so cute. This is called Sugar Skulls, and it is really cute. It's got all kinds of designs in here for Day of the Dead. Yes. So they got some coordinating stamps to go with it. Let me share those. So we've got Sugar Skull Beauties, and you can color these up very colorful. Just go crazy with it. This is the Sugar Skulls. There's some nice bold sentiments there. And we've got the Sugar Skull Cuties, and that one has a coordinating die. So the die is available. And then we have the Day of the Dead frame. So this is their rubber stamp frames. So those are really neat. Little skeleton and 2 candles. And that's the smoke to create the frame. And then we've got the Nature's Skeleton. So this is like webbing, it looks like. So great texture for your cards. If you have some spider stamps, Halloween stamps, that would go great. We've got the Boo die set. So we've got some ghosts and the word boo. And the Chills word die set. So we've got goosebumps and I know it says chill, shivers, chills and shivers. And then last but not least, their new Slimline Scallop Peekaboo #1 die set. So this is what it looks like. So we've got a scallop with these little X's on the corners. It looks like you could cut out the middle piece. I don't know if you want to or not. If you leave it together, then it'll be perfectly lined up for you. But you could always cut that off and then use some washi tape to hold your dies in place, because this is the Peekaboo element. So it will cut out these little doors that you can open and have something underneath peeking out. So I'm always excited to see Whimsy's new Slimline dies. They are just the best, and the price is on point. So I'll have the links down below to this. I did restock the new lawn foam. If you are waiting for anything to come back into stock, it's most likely in stock now. I did grab a lot of it with the coordinating dies. So I'll have the link in the description box for that. Tomorrow is the Not Too Shabby scene building card hop. So there's so many scene building ideas on this hop. I can't wait to watch it. I hope you guys join us. There'll be a prize. So the more videos you watch and comment on, the more chances you'll have to win. So that starts tomorrow. I do have a premiere up, so if you click on that video, there is a bell there to set a reminder. So if you want to go head over there, set that reminder so you get the email when the video goes live tomorrow. So that's all I have, guys. Let me know what you guys are working on in the comments down below. And if you're gonna head on over to the hop tomorrow, I'd love to know. I'm really excited about it, and I hope to see you there. So take care, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.